Hey, eco-warriors! Want to live greener, save some cash, and help the planet? Hey, I'm sharing 5 sustainable living hacks you can start right now. Stick around for a super easy DIY that's gone viral for a reason. Let's dive in. And P.S. Stick around until the end for a special announcement you won't want to miss. Hack: No one ditch plastic bags with this DIY reusable tote. Grab an old t-shirt, that one you haven't worn since 2020. Cut off the sleeves and neckline. Then tie the bottom into knots. Boom! A sturdy, washable tote in under 5 minutes. I use mine for groceries, and it saved me from buying bags at checkout. Plus, it's a cute way to upcycle. Don't toss those coffee grounds. They're a free fertilizer packed with nitrogen. Sprinkle them around your plants or mix them into your compost bin. My basil went wild after I started doing this. Pro tip: ask your local cafe for their used grounds. They often give them away for free. Next up, say goodbye to plastic wrap with DIY beeswax wraps. All you need is cotton fabric, beeswax, and an iron. Melt the wax onto the fabric, let it cool, and you've got reusable food wraps that lasts for months. They're perfect for lunches or leftovers and cut down on waste. I got my beeswax for cheap on insert affiliate link or local store. Want to save some major cash? Use the code YOURCODE for a discount on your order. Comment below. Are you a coffee drinker? Try this hack and let me know how your plants grow. Hack 4. Want to cut your energy bill? Plug your electronics like chargers, TVs, or gaming consoles into a power strip and switch it off when not in use. This stops vampire energy from sneaky standby modes. I saved $10 a month just by doing this. It's an easy hack for your wallet and the planet. What's your go-to energy-saving trick? Drop it in the comments. And last but not least, shop secondhand. Apps like Poshmark or local thrift stores are gold mines for clothes, furniture, and even kitchenware. I scored this lamp for $8 retails for $50. It's sustainable, saves money, and gives items a second life. Check out my favorite thrifting apps in the description. And there you have its 5 sustainable hacks to live greener and save some green. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more eco-friendly tips every week. Hit that bell so you never miss a video. Let's keep saving the planet together. See you next time. Hey, do you and T forget to hit that like button for more sustainable living tips? And check out this video next for 7 genius organization hacks. 2. Clutter your home. Bye.